Hello, grade 11 learners. Today, we will discuss Senior High School General Mathematics about operation on functions. We will focus on multiplication and division of functions. Multiplication of functions. We have definition. Let f and g be functions. Their product, denoted by f times g, is the function denoted by the quantity f times g of x equals f of x times g of x. Again, in multiplying functions, the quantity f times g of x is just equal to f of x times g of x. We have example number 1. Given the functions f of x equals x plus 5 and g of x equals 2x minus 1, we are going to solve for the quantity f times g of x. For our solution, we have the quantity f times g of x is just equal to f of x times g of x, that is using our definition. Then we will replace f of x and g of x using the given functions. Our f of x is x plus 5, and then our g of x is 2x minus 1. Take note, we can use dot in multiplication or we can have parentheses. That is still multiplication. Now we will multiply x plus 5 and 2x minus 1. We will use FOIL method. Okay, let us review what is FOIL method. F stands for first, O stands for outside, then I stands for inside, and then L stands for last. So now we will multiply x plus 5 and 2x minus 1. So we have the first x and 2x, that is 2x squared. For O, we have outside x times negative 1. So we can have negative x. For I, inside, we can have 5 times 2x, that is 10x. Then for the last, we have 5 and negative 1, this negative 5. We also have another way of multiplying x plus 5 and 2x minus 1. So this is it. This is the common way of multiplying numbers. So we have negative 1 times 5. So we can have negative 5. Next, negative 1 times x, we have negative x. The next step, we have 2x times 5, we can have positive 10x. Then the last one, 2x times x, the answer is 2x squared. Okay, now bring down 2x squared. Negative x plus 10x, the result is 9x. So positive 9x. Then bring down 5. If you find it hard to get the product of x plus 5 and 2x minus 1 using FOIL method, you can use this alternative solution. Okay, back to our solution. Now let us combine like terms. This one. So copy 2x squared. Then negative x plus 10x. We can have 9x. Then copy negative 5. Now, the quantity f times g of x is just equal to 2x squared plus 9x minus 5. Now, let's proceed to the division of functions. We have definition. Let f and g be functions. Their quotient, denoted by f over g, is the function denoted by the quantity f over g of x equals f of x over g of x. Always remember that in dividing functions, the quantity f over g of x is just equal to f of x over g of x. For example, given the functions g of x, which is equal to x plus 5, and h of x equals x squared plus 4x minus 5, let us solve for the quantity h over g of x. For the solution, we have the quantity h over g of x is just simply equal to h of x over g of x using the given definition. Then we will replace h of x. We have the given function h of x is simply equal to x squared plus 4x minus 5, and then we will replace also g of x, that is x plus 5. So now we will factor the numerator. Again, the upper part of the fraction is called numerator, is 1, and then the lower part is called the denominator. We will factor the numerator. So how to factor x squared plus 4x minus 5? To factor x squared plus 4x minus 5, we will consider the middle term and the last term, the constant. We will get the factor of the constant, negative 5, and then we will see to it that the sum of the factors is equal to the middle term, which is 4. So now, the factors of 5, negative 5, we have 1 and negative 5. We can also have negative 1 and positive 5. If we will multiply 1 and negative 5, the result is negative 5. And then negative 1 times 5, the result is also negative 5. Again, we will get their sum. The sum of 1 and negative 5, that is sum. We have negative 4. The sum of negative 1 and 5, we have the sum is 4. The correct combination is negative 1 and 5. So this will be our factor. So we can have x minus 1 and then x plus 5. For more example, you can watch my video tutorial about factoring. I will link it in the description box. Back to our solution, we have the factors of x squared plus 4x minus 5, x plus 5, and x minus 1. Then copy the denominator, x plus 5. Now we will cancel out common factors. We have x plus 5 and x plus 5. What remains is x minus 1. Therefore, the quantity h over g of x is just simply equal to x minus 1. If you have questions or clarifications, you can type it in the comment section.